In this amazingly created world, we have brought you some amazing facts that you need to know about space. This is our 6th episode of Facts to Know. We want you to be with us for many more videos to come. So subscribe the channel and keep the notifications on. Let's begin. Here we go. Fact number 10. Do you know how much a full NASA spacesuit costs? Okay, while the entire suit costs a cool $12 million, 70% cost is for the backpack and control module. However, the spacesuit that NASA uses were built in 1974. The suit has mass of 47 pounds or 21 kilos without a life support backpack. Having not built any new mission ready extra vehicle suits, since then NASA has only 4 working suits left. If these suits were priced by today's pricing, they would have cost an estimated $150 million. Whoa. Fact number 9. The footprints on the moon will be there for 100 million years. The moon has no atmosphere, which means there is no wind to erode the surface and no water to wash the footprints away. This means the footprints of the Apollo astronauts, along with spacecraft prints, rover prints, and discarded material, will be there for millions of years. Fact number 8. There is a floating water in space. Astronomers have found a massive water vapor cloud which holds 140 trillion times the mass of water in the Earth's ocean, somewhere around 10 billion light years away, making it the largest discovery of water ever found. Fact number 7. If 2 pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will permanently bond. This incredible fact is also known as coldwelding, and it happens because the atoms of 2 pieces of metal have no way of knowing they are separate. This doesn't happen on Earth because of the air and water found between the pieces. Fact number 6. Space is completely silent. There is no atmosphere in space, which means that sound has no medium or way to travel to be heard. Astronauts use radios to stay in communication while in space, since radio waves can still be sent and received. Fact number 5. Nobody knows how many stars in space. The sheer size of space makes it impossible to accurately predict just how many stars we have. Right now, scientists and astronomers use the number of stars only within our galaxy, the Milky Way, to estimate that number is between 200 to 400 billion stars, and there are estimated to be billions of galaxies, so the stars in space really are completely uncountable. Fact number 4. The Sun's mass takes up to 99.86% of the solar system, made of 3/4 hydrogen and helium. For most of its remaining mass, the Sun accounts for the 99.86% of the mass in our solar system, with a mass of around 330,000 times that of the Earth. Phew! Fact number 3. Do you know 1 million Earths can fit inside the Sun? The Sun is large enough that approximately 1.3 million Earths could fit inside if squashed in. Or if the Earths retain their spherical shape, then 960,000 would fit. But can you visualize that number of Earths? Well, I can't. Fact number 2. The first living mammal to go into space was a dog named Laika from Russia. Laika was a stray mongrel from the streets of Moscow and launched into space on the Soviet spacecraft Sputnik 2 on November 3, 1957. Sadly, Laika died 5 to 7 hours into the flight due to overheating and stress. Damn, poor Laika. Fact number 1. Do you know the moon was once a piece of the Earth? The theory, called giant impact hypothesis, is when Earth was a relatively young planet. It was struck by a giant object called Theia, a roughly Mars-sized planet, 4.5 billion years ago. And this collision broke a piece of the Earth in such a way that it ejected a considerable amount of material away from Earth. This piece then began to orbit the Earth as a result of its gravitational pull, and that piece is called Moon. This was it for the 6th episode of Facts to Know, and we promise to come up with more exciting facts and knowledges in the upcoming episodes. Before saying bye-bye, there is an ultimate funny fact. You won't get a subscriber until you request for it. So subscribe the channel and see you in the next video. Take care, bless you, bye-bye.